You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 1 over 2x to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over 7. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 2.